Hi friends, let us learn some better English expressions today. Hello, hello. The first word of greeting when you meet someone. Hello. But you can say, what's up? Hey's up, what's up? Hi's up, what's up? Number two, I am fine. Never better, which means the best. Never better. Number three, very good. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Awesome. Number four, I am very tired. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Not exhausted, but exhausted. Exhausted. I am exhausted. Relax. Chill. Chill out. I am very busy. I am swamped. I am swamped. I don't know. Beats me. Or no idea. I have no idea. No idea. That's it. Thank you.